Okay. The Kebab King has come to see the Kebab Kid. I'm here at Uni Kebab. The famous Mr. Chef. Best kebab. Batman Grill. Thame, Atalay's kebab van. We've made it to Leeds. I am Donna. The quest for the best kebab continues. This is an Egyptian kebab. I've got like a mixed calzone with pepperoni on top, cheese. It's in like a pizza dough, all wrapped up. We've got, look at the crispy edges on it. It's really catching my eye already. Come and have a look at this. Homemade sauces, everything. Holy shit, this looks good. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna start off with a mushroom.
Oh my God.
I love a mushroom. This is the kebab. There we go. Bit of a look inside that. Chicken and lamb, mixed shawarma, hand cut with delicate care and attention. All the kebab meat, yeah. Boy, look at that. Peppers, onions, mushroom. So I've got in here salad, chili sauce. I asked for garlic mayo. He looked at me like I was an idiot. They don't sell garlic mayo. We've got chili sauce, a few sprinkle of chips, Donna meat, Kebab King. What does he think of this place? No salad like I normally do. We've got Donna, chicken and lamb in a pita with garlic and chili sauce. And it was a tenner with a drink. So, inside I've got halloumi, falafel, 2 meats, Donna obviously, some sauces, a little bit of salad, and coriander, I think I went for as well. Let's dive in, shall we? Get some of the lamb. Got salad today, guys, as well, by the way. Hope you noticed. I'm not going to eat any though, but got it in there. First things first, aromatic. Got some nice chili sauce in there as well. Let's find out. Peppers, onions, mushroom, pepperoni on top. Whoa, look at that. Right, let's dive in. Oh my God. Instantly. That's got a kick. Here we go. Let's dive in. Best kebab. Stoke Newington. Let's dive in and give it a go. Oh my God. Here we go. I've got all the meats. Come look at this. Look at the caramelisation. Here's the Donna. Excuse my fingers. Look at this. Machine cut. Precision. Hello. Precision Donna meat. Wow. Look at the Donna meat. You see that? It's packed with flavours, sauces, juice, spices. I've got small crunchy bits of cucumber, tomato in there, giving me some moisture, that fresh little punch of flavour. Got chili sauce running throughout the Donna. This is a big portion as well. Large Donna wrap like this, which is their speciality, by the way. £7. The Donna, kind of just like decent, regular Donna. You get me? Just high quality, good food. Look at that. I've got a stacked with Donna meat in here. It's absolutely stacked, and we've got the flavour coming through from the veg. The dough has got a really nice crisp punch to it. This Egyptian kebab with cheese underneath is outrageous. It's so tasty. Look at the lamb caramelisation, that charcoal feeling at the top of it, look. Just absolutely incredible. Man's out here in the wind and the rain, eating kebabs for you guys. Get in the comments, let me know if you think this is any good or not. The crust on the outside is like thick, but it's still got its juices in it. It's got a herby flavour to it. I've never had Donna meat like this before. As a place, customizable, make their own breads. The flavours are fantastic. It's very good. High quality, luxurious meats. Great little shop. Kebab Kid, thin, really tasty, quite a rich Donna flavour. That's different to what we've had before. This is quality gear. Properly special. Donna is beautifully cooked. As you can see, what the machine's taken off the perfect amount of Donna. As soon as it's cooked, it's off. We've got that charring on one side. We've got charring on one side. Nice and clean on the other. Oh my God, look at that. This is a no fuss, high quality, elite level kebab. There's no other word for it.
It smells amazing.
It really smells, it smells fantastic. There's the lamb here. There's the lamb. Look at that, look. When you get to these places that are obviously the best of the best. That's the best lamb I've had as well. Man, this is tough. This is big, guys. This is really big. As a product, as a standalone product, this is outstanding. What does the Kebab King think of the Kebab Kid? I love it. It's not greasy. It's not disgusting. This is elite. Some takeaways have just got it. They've just got it. Mr. Chef, comes up with this stuff first. He's the guy that designs this stuff, makes it, and the stuff that you're probably eating in your local takeaway, the stuff that was selling here first for quite a long time. Probably the best Donna wrap I've ever had. Really nice. Really, really nice. Vimto, fizzy. Let's crack into it. Right, whilst I'm thinking about my score, I'm drinking. Drink watch. It's back. Iron Brew. I couldn't come up here and not get one. Iron Brew. Diet Coke. Drink watch. Spat a lot of kebab at them. Rubicon. Mango. Made with real fruit juice. As a product, as a place, commercially, this is shit hot. One of the best I've had. They've absolutely nailed this calzone. I just can't even begin to tell you how much. Look at this. Look how much meat is in that. This has got a star quality and an air of magic about it. Get a good look in. This is special. I'm going to say this is my second best kebab I've ever had. As a new modern place, the functionality, how you can customize it, the quality of the meat, sensational. Like every bite I've had so far has been tasty, tasty, tasty. I want more, I want more. I've travelled all over the country. This for me is an 8 out of 10. Really strong, high 8. 8.8. So I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10. Straight 9. I'm gonna give it a 9.2. I'm going to give this a 9.5. 9.5, big score. Big score. This is special, I like it. I'm going to give this a 9.6. This is quite simply spectacular. For that reason, I'm going to give this a 9.8. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a Leeds / Headingley review. And that is a naked chef featured Kebab King, Kebab King, Kebab Kid review. It's one of the best chicken Donna I've ever had. And that is a review. Now, and that, ladies and gents, was a review. And that is a record kebab review. Thank you.